Hello and welcome to our introduction to our Beyond the Classroom Learner Profile. This is its current state as of August 22nd, 2017. This is an example of a high school student, and on this page there are 5 columns. In the first column it tells you the student's name, what cohort they're a part of, what type of scholar they are, and then below that are their activities and work experiences that they can add about themselves. So if they click on buttons, they can add clubs or sports that they've participated in. We have volunteer hours to be tracked, and then we also have some basic Bright Future requirements so they can set goals. We also have a place for them to add members of their support team. These are people that can be classroom teachers, mentors, coaches, parents, whoever they want to add for someone that they consider supporting them through their school. We have a place for them to write short-term goals based on reading or math. That's a good place for their support team to check in to see how they're doing on their short-term goals. On the second and third columns, we have math and language arts, and then clusters of standards that they're supposed to master by the end of their current grade level. As you see, there's some red shade showing that this particular student needs work in a lot of the standards that he's expected to master. So on this platform, he can click on one of the buttons and he'll have a list of standards within that cluster. If the student clicks on one of those standards, it brings them to a playlist aligned to that standard that they can practice on to hopefully improve their skills to master that standard. Again, this is something that their support team can monitor with them to see if they're working and making progress through that practice. On the fourth column, we have their path to graduation. This is information that the student has about themselves in focus, but we wanted to present it in a quick, snapshot-like way so students can understand it and to make actionable steps towards reaching goals. Again, the areas in green, they are on track to graduate, and then the areas that are shadowed in red, they are not. So in particular, this student needs to earn a credit in hope, and then they'll be back on track. On the final column, we have college and career readiness, and that includes SAT scores, ACT scores, industry certifications that they might have earned through their schooling, like Microsoft or C#, and then advanced coursework. We're thinking to add dual enrollment courses to this as well, but currently we have AP credits and grade points that they've earned, and then if they got a certain score on their AP exam, if those scores are in. We also have a link out to future plans, and then some common programs that students tend to work on, including Clever, which is our district single sign-on. We also have Florida Students, vocabulary.com, Newsella, so on and so forth. That is the current state of our Beyond the Classroom Learner Profile.